over 50 and waking up with stiff shoulders, a tight neck, or extra belly fat. Heavy workouts can hurt your joints. This gentle Tai Chi flow will safely release neck tension, open your shoulders, and boost your daily metabolism. Exercise 1. Step back and pull. Extend both arms straight forward. Open your palms, then step back while making fists and pulling them back to your waist. This smooth motion targets stubborn belly fat through core control, while gently stretching your tight shoulders. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Elbow lift and press. Bring your arms in front of your chest. Bend your elbows and perform a lifting and pressing motion, raising onto your toes as you lift. This gentle flow burns calories smoothly while releasing deep stiffness in your neck and shoulder joints. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Front and back claps. Clap your hands together in front of your body. Then swing your arms back to clap behind your back. This rhythmic meridians tapping instantly stimulates local blood circulation and opens up frozen chest and shoulder muscles. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Knee raise and reach. Raise your knee, touching it with one hand while extending your other arm straight up diagonally. This dynamic movement challenges your balance safely, builds lower body stability, and fires up your core for fat burning. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Calf raise and stretch. As you raise onto your toes, extend one arm straight up towards the sky and the other straight down, alternating sides continuously. This full stretch elongates the spine, instantly releases lower back stiffness, and tones your waistline. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Side bend. Slowly bend your torso to the side, reaching down with your fingertips to gently touch your toes. This deep side stretch directly targets tight lateral side muscles, removes stubborn spine stiffness, and improves total body flexibility. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 7. Hip sway. Sway your hips side to side while swinging your arms horizontally, extending one arm straight and bending the other. This coordinated movement engages your core to burn belly fat while relieving stubborn tension in your upper back and shoulders. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Side lunge. Place your hands on your hips and step into alternating side lunges, lowering into a low kneeling stance with your back leg. This deep lower body stretch tones your thighs and glutes for fat burning while fixing hip and lower back stiffness. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Back kick and pat. Kick one leg backward and touch your heel with your hand, while using your other hand to gently pat your shoulder and neck area. This targeted meridians tapping instantly stimulates blood circulation, melts away neck tension, and releases frozen shoulder strain. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Side reach. Shift your body weight from side to side to stretch, extending one arm straight up and holding the other arm completely flat. This dynamic flow opens up the sides of your torso, improves your balance control, and actively trims your love handles. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Knee raise and twist. Hold both hands in a circle in front of your chest, then twist your torso. As you raise your knee, twist left as you raise your left knee, and right for your right knee. This deep rotation builds strong core stability, burns deep belly fat, and restores spine mobility. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Arm swing and squat. Swing both arms straight up as you stand tall, then swing them straight down as you lower into a half squat. This fluid full body movement drives efficient calorie burning, activates leg muscles, and smoothly pumps fresh circulation into your neck and shoulders. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Torso twist and pat. Twist your torso while bending one arm behind your lower back and using the other hand to pat your opposite shoulder and neck. This traditional meridian clapping instantly targets deep neck tension, releases shoulder tightness, and clears energy blocks. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Forward bend and stretch. Bend forward from your hips and reach down to touch your opposite toes, alternating left and right smoothly. This deep hamstring and back stretch removes stubborn spine stiffness, unlocks lower back tension, and improves whole body flexibility. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Overhead stretch and squat. Interlock your fingers and flip your palms straight up overhead, continuously alternating between standing and lowering into a deep squat. This powerful movement activates leg strength, drives efficient calorie burning, and engages your core for fat loss. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Chest opener and weight shift. Shift your weight from side to side while opening both arms horizontally, lifting your chest and keeping your spine perfectly straight. This beautiful alignment opener instantly counters rounded shoulders, corrects posture, and releases chest and upper back strain. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Gentle marching. March in place gently, allowing your arms to swing naturally with the movement. This steady, low-impact, steady flow improves whole body coordination, increases fat burning, and keeps your deep core gently active without joint stress. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 18. Large arm circles. Shift your weight from side to side while circling your arms from front to back in a wide, slow motion, alternating sides. This full shoulder rotation bathes the shoulder joints with fluid, melts away stubborn stiffness, and brings deep relaxation to your neck. Fantastic job today! Your rusty neck and shoulders are now fully relaxed, and your metabolism is activated. Which movement did your stiff upper body enjoy the most today? Tell me in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and see you tomorrow.